So, if beauty were time, you would be the eternity. So, my name is Rutuja, and a very peaceful morning to everyone. Today, I am here to perform a career guidance. Perform on topic career guidance. We know that after 10th, being a student, we have so many streams in a career. Our career, we can earn so many in our career. We can make our career in anything. We can make our career by earning so lot of money in anything. So today I am going to introduce one another career in which we can earn, in which we can made our career, in which we have hobby, so we can touch the sky in this field. So let me introduce about the field. The field is about a professional makeup artist. So let's get start the video. I would like to tell you that professional makeup course, about professional makeup course, the qualification for makeup course is nothing. We have to do nothing for it. The education for being a makeup artist, we can do nothing. The age matter. Being a professional makeup artist, age is not matter, because from a child to the adult person, who anyone can do this. So there is not necessary of education and qualification. So what is necessary in it? The first thing which is so necessary in it is interest. We have to build interest to do that profession. The process for that is, first we have to build interest. Second, we have to love to do these things. Next one is classes. We have to attend classes. We have to do diploma of 2 to 3 years, by which we can practice well and by which we can get interest in it. We know that showing up on time may be the most important MUA for business skill. In this professional makeup artist, the business skill is most important. We know that the good look and personality is also important, but the promotion, the business skills is most important in that. We have to photo shoot, we have to click photos of client, by which we can promote ourselves. Let me know you about the salary of professional makeup artist. The salary is about we know that if anyone can do this, the salary of a makeup artist is 5,000 to the 20, 30, 40,000 packages are like that. So it is a good factor of earning. For this earning, we need a certified. We need a certificate, a diploma for that, by which we can set a professional makeup artist. Now I would like to tell such great examples of makeup artists, such as her name is Pratiksha Thorat, and she is a makeup artist she is belong to a small home, and now by the career of professional makeup artist, she built herself in long way. Another one example is, her name is Parul Garg. She is belong from Delhi, and she is also belonging to the small home, and she built herself by this makeup artist career, and she touched the sky. So I would like to tell you that no one can be weak in his field. So I would like to tell one thing in last, that everyone can do anything, and by which we can make ourselves build in that career. So I would like to tell you a very thankful for listening carefully, and thank you so much.